Hey YouTube, this is part 3 for how to make a Lego candy machine. This thing. Okay, first you should have this, okay? Probably because you've been doing the part. Okay, now just fill in this part right here. Okay, so it should be 4 tall all the way around, except for right here. That should be empty, right here on the corner. Okay, and this should be sticking out, so it should be like that. Okay, do something like that. And now, we just make another layer. Make sure this is empty, and right here is empty too. Okay. So actually, and we have to do this thing one more time because we need one little space right there. So sometimes the gears get jammed, as in the candy. So I'm gonna take a 1 by 1. One by 2. And another 1 by 2. Now, the reason I'm doing each part is 5 minutes is because this camera and YouTube doesn't like me. My videos, if they're like longer than 8 minutes, then it usually just, or 8 or 5 minutes, the upload aborts on me. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. We're going somewhere, folks. Okay. Okay, now it should be 5 tall, and it should look something like this. And so actually, we should need to do one more layer, and the top layer. This is where, yeah, we still leave this spot open and this spot open. So here it goes. Just open that around it. That's okay. Oh, and also right here, we can put a spot right over there. So it'd be good if you have a 2 by 3. Let's see. I don't know if I have a 2 by 3 on me right now, so I'm just gonna take oh crap. Okay. I'm just gonna take a 2 by 2, put it right there, over the hole. And then 1 by 2, and right there. Okay, so it's 6 tall. And now now we just gotta make the ceiling. So just get the piece you have. I have a 4 by 6. Just take the platforms you need. What I have is a 4 by 6 platform, 2 by 4, and 1 by 4. So I'm gonna stick the 1 by 4 over here, 2 by 4 right here, and then the 4 by 6 right there. Okay, now if I could find my gears, I'd show you, but I don't really know where they are. I don't know what the fuck happened to them. So, yep, okay. I wonder if it even works, but I'd show you. Bye.